This is a 100-gram rechargeable silica gel desiccant pack from QBmalls. Now, QBmalls did send these samples over for the creation of this video, so let's go ahead and take a closer look at them. All right, now here is a look at the QBmalls rechargeable desiccant pack. Now, I really like that these are a rechargeable and reusable type of device. You don't have to throw them out once they have moisture in them. And once they do have moisture, you're gonna see that this blue circle here turns pink. At that point, you know it's time to toss it in the microwave for a few minutes to dry it out, and then you can simply reuse it again. I use these with my 3D printing filament, and it's super easy. Once I see that that dot has turned pink, I can take it out, put it in the microwave. I know that on the back side it says this side needs to be down. Gonna give you a little caution that it will be hot when you remove it. And it says to use about 3 minutes of time on setting 8 on your microwave. Now, setting 8 on everybody's microwave is gonna be a little different, so just kind of play it by ear and just adjust the time and settings so that they're appropriate with your microwave. And like I said, this blue dot here will be pink when the capacity of the desiccant inside is at its limit. But once you toss it in the microwave and let it dry out, this is going to be blue again, and you can start using it from scratch. All right, now it's kind of hard to see the pink color on this left one on the camera, but you can definitely see the difference between the left and right pack here. The right one is fully dry while the left one is fully humidified. Now, all we got to do is throw this left one back in the microwave. That dot's going to turn blue just like the one here on the right, and it'll be usable for wherever you need to put this to dry out the area. I think these rechargeable packs are great. Like I mentioned, I utilize these for my 3D printing filament to make sure that they are nice and dry, but you can also use them in closets, drawers, in your luggage when you're traveling, lots of small spaces, jewelry cabinets, things like that, to make sure that you don't have any moisture getting into your products and ruining them. I think these rechargeable desiccant packs are really handy if you need to remove some humidity from a small enclosure. I personally use them to keep the moisture out of my 3D printer filament, and they work great for that. And I really like the color changing dot here that lets me know when it's time to recharge them in the microwave. So be sure to check these out if you need a really handy desiccant pack. Now, as always, I've got a link to these desiccant packs in the description below if you want to take a closer look at them for yourself.